Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I've partnered with Beacon Adhesives to bring you a really fun and festive holiday wreath. So I've been using Beacon's products for many years, and today I thought it would be really fun to use their Glitter It glue and their Power-Tac glue to bring you this DIY vintage-inspired glitter ornament ball wreath just in time for the holidays. The great thing about this project is that you can take dollar store ornament balls and turn them into $1 million just by using Beacon's products. So if you want to see the simple way that I made this wreath, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to use some of Beacon's products for your next crafting project. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.